Here we've got Motorola Razr, and let me show you how to install WhatsApp on the following device. So at first you have to open your Play Store, and then you can either pick WhatsApp from here or you can enter its name over there to the searching bar, and it's WhatsApp right here. And all you have to do now is to tap on this install bar, just tap here and wait until it's done. So WhatsApp will be downloaded and then installed in your device's internal storage. And it is done, so just click on open to activate this application, and now you can smoothly log in with your account. So you can provide WhatsApp with your phone number right here, and then you'll be able to use this messenger. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.